Good evening, how can I help you?
Yes, I want a t-shirt. Can you show me one?
Sure, which one do you want?
I want this one, the black one. How much does it cost?
Just $15.
I don't have $15. Can I have some discounts?
You can have 33% discount, that means $10.
Okay, I will buy it. Can I try it on?
Yes, the changing places are over there. Does it fit you?
Yes, it fits me. Here you go.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi sir, can I help you?
Yes, you can. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Can you show me one?
What size are you?
Small.
What color would you like?
Blue.
Where is the t-shirt?
Can I try it on?
Yes, changing places are over there.
Thank you so much.
Does it fit you?
No, it doesn't. Can I have a smaller size?
Yes, what about this one?
Okay, I will try it on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Does it fit you?
Yes, it does. I like it. I will buy it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Who's that wearing